Mm.
Hallelujah.
Oi Jehovah, Noqui, Vakatawa.
He is my provider.
My everything.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Hilutakia wena vesinga kethenga.
Through green pastures and water still, Savakathenguia nona loloma.
He restores my weary soul
And leads me in the path of righteousness. Hena vukuni athana tambuka langi langi.
when the valley is dark and cold.
Hausenga nirere hiyo Jehovah.
Your staff and your rod guide my way.
Nisaike muninga nonku iva kambula. Oh Lord, you are my shepherd.
Noqui Vakatawa ndina.
I will trust in you forever.
Goodness and mercy
Shall follow me.
and a facing a kethe.
Ninonkumbula, and I will dwell in your house.
In a valley Jehovah. Senga ni mundu.
You prepare a table before me in matandrana kenkumeta. You anoint my head with oil. Sasina inonkubilo kabwambale.
In every blessing that you give, Hausanava kavina vinaka.
Your grace has carried me